We'll guide you through how to make flip text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create unique and creative text effects in Canva for their designs. To begin this tutorial, open a browser on your computer. For example, you can use Google Chrome as your main tool. To open it, simply double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop screen until the browser window appears. After that, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to access the website. Make sure you are already logged in so you are on the home page. Once you are there, click Custom Size so you can set the dimensions manually. For example, type 1080 for the width, then type 1080 for the height manually. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then click Create New Design to continue. Next, go to the left panel and click the text menu. Then click Add a heading to continue the process. Type flip text clearly as your sample text. After that, adjust the text size. For example, set it to 120 so it looks large and visible. Then adjust the font. For example, use 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀 to give it a clean and modern style. Close the panel after finishing all adjustments so you can move to the next step. As an example, change the text color to a gradient style to make it more visually appealing. Next, click Share in the top right corner, then select Copy to Clipboard at the bottom and click Copy to Clipboard again to confirm. After that, delete the text from the canvas, then paste the text image. Adjust the size to make it larger and clearer so it fits the canvas properly. Then click Background Remover to remove the background and keep only the text. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the text layer. Then select the duplicated result and click Flip. You can choose Flip Horizontal and the text will change direction instantly. As an example, undo it and choose Flip Vertical instead to see a different effect. Once done, adjust the position as needed on the canvas so both texts align properly. Then try adjusting the transparency of the flipped text layer to create a reflection effect. Do the result, and the flipped text effect in Canva is successfully created.